Abstract art has the remarkable ability to transform any room into a compelling environment, creating a space that resonates with energy and emotion. Among the various styles, abstract harmony wall art stands out for its fluidity, inviting nature, and soothing presence. This type of art focuses on the seamless blending of colors, shapes, and forms to evoke a sense of peace and balance. By utilizing soft curves and gentle hues, it fosters a calming atmosphere that encourages relaxation and introspection. Whether proposed for a cozy living room, a serene bedroom, or a vibrant office, these pieces can serve as an effective medium for facilitating conversation and connection. The beauty of abstract harmony art lies in its ability to convey complex emotions and ideas through simplicity. Artists often use a combination of color gradients, organic shapes, and textured surfaces to create a visual poetry that invites viewers into a contemplative state. In a personal setting, for instance, a piece showcasing soft blues and greens can evoke feelings of tranquility, making it an ideal choice for a bedroom or meditation space. In contrast, a warmer palette filled with earthy tones can create a welcoming ambience in a communal area, such as a living room where family and friends gather. Another fascinating aspect of abstract harmony art is its versatility. It can adapt to various styles of decor, from minimalist to bohemian, seamlessly integrating into different environments while adding depth and character. In a contemporary space, for example, a large-scale piece can serve as a dramatic centerpiece, capturing the eye and serving as a conversation starter. Conversely, in a more traditional setting, smaller pieces can be grouped together to create a gallery-style wall that reflects personal taste and artistic appreciation. On the other hand, abstract geometric art offers a more structured and analytical approach to artistic expression. Characterized by sharp lines, bold shapes, and often a limited color palette, geometric art brings a sense of order and efficiency to a space. This art form can be particularly impactful in professional environments, where clarity and focus are paramount. For instance, a series of geometric prints in monochromatic tones can enhance a corporate office, creating an atmosphere of professionalism while still providing visual interest. One of the most intriguing elements of geometric art is its ability to challenge perceptions of space and form. Artists often play with angles and perspectives, encouraging viewers to see familiar shapes in new and unexpected ways. This interaction stimulates critical thinking and creativity, making geometric art an excellent choice for educational settings or creative workplaces. By introducing abstract geometric art into an environment, one can inspire a culture of innovation and open-mindedness. When it comes to selecting the perfect artwork for your space, it's essential to consider the existing decor. Abstract harmony pieces typically excel in environments that prioritize comfort and warmth. These artworks can complement soft furnishings and neutral palettes, enhancing the overall aesthetic without overwhelming the senses. In contrast, geometric designs, with their bold and defined elements, thrive in more adventurous or contrasting settings, making statements that capture attention and provoke thought. Lighting also plays a pivotal role in how abstract art is perceived. Natural light can significantly enhance the vibrancy of colors in abstract harmony pieces, while artificial light can accentuate the angles and facets of geometric art. A well-lit space invites engagement with the artwork, drawing viewers in and encouraging them to appreciate the subtleties and intricacies. Consider using adjustable lighting to create dynamic displays, allowing the art to shift throughout the day, thereby altering the mood of the space. It's also worth noting that the scale of artwork affects its impact. Large abstract harmony pieces can serve as striking focal points, dominating a wall and commanding attention. These sizable artworks can elevate the ambience of a room, transforming it into a gallery-like experience. Conversely, smaller pieces of geometric art can be arranged in a series, creating a rhythm and flow that leads the eye through the space. This arrangement invites exploration and interaction, encouraging viewers to linger and engage with each piece. The choice of abstract art not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also influences emotional responses. Colors are known to evoke specific feelings. Warm tones can instill happiness and energy, while cool colors often promote calmness and relaxation. By thoughtfully selecting artwork that aligns with the desired emotional climate of a room, individuals can curate spaces that foster well-being and positivity. Moreover, art embodies stories and emotions. Each piece of abstract art often reflects the artist's personal journey, cultural background, or philosophical beliefs. By choosing to incorporate these artworks into one's environment, individuals invite a narrative, a connection to the artist, and a sense of shared experience. This storytelling aspect of art adds richness and depth to spaces, making them feel more alive and meaningful. Incorporation of abstract art into your home or office also symbolizes a commitment to creativity and individuality. It communicates an appreciation for artistic exploration and a desire to break free from conventional norms. Embracing abstract forms, whether harmonious or geometric, can inspire those within the space to tap into their own creativity, fostering an atmosphere that encourages innovative thinking and fresh ideas. In conclusion, both abstract harmony wall art and abstract geometric art offer unique opportunities to enhance any environment. They each provide a means of self-expression and connection while transforming the aesthetic landscape of a space. Whether one is drawn to the soothing qualities of harmonious designs or the structured elegance of geometric forms, these artworks allow for a personalized approach to interior design. Embrace the power of art to inspire, comfort, and engage, enriching your surroundings with creativity and beauty, and inviting all who enter to find solace and inspiration in their visual environment. Thank you for joining us in exploring the captivating world of abstract harmony wall art and abstract geometric art. These artistic styles offer unique ways to transform any space, enhancing both aesthetic appeal and emotional ambience. Abstract harmony wall art brings a sense of tranquility and balance through its fluid shapes and soothing colors. This art form fosters an inviting atmosphere, perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or quiet workspaces. It encourages moments of reflection and tranquility, making any environment feel more serene. On the other hand, abstract geometric art captivates with its bold shapes, clean lines, and dynamic compositions. This style is ideal for environments that crave energy and modernity. It challenges perceptions and stimulates creativity, making it perfect for offices, creative spaces, or areas where people collaborate and innovate. Both forms of art beautifully complement different decor styles, from minimalist to eclectic, creating engaging and visually stunning surroundings. Whether you prefer the harmonious touch of soft colors or the structured elegance of geometric designs, these artworks can inspire and uplift any room. If you enjoyed this exploration of abstract art, we invite you to subscribe, like, and share with others who appreciate the beauty of creativity. Your support helps us bring more art and inspiration into the world. Thank you for watching.